Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful luxurious red bob wig. I'm just starting off showing you guys how light the lace was. It was supposed to be transparent, but to be honest, the lace was white, y'all, but in a good way. Like, it was so white that you could probably match it to any skin color. Now, I personally did not make it dark enough because I didn't want to add too much foundation to the lace and then make it all caked up. So I just tinted it a little bit and then I tinted the rest after I installed it, just to make sure that I wasn't adding too much, you know, foundation to it. But yeah, y'all, I actually was really in love with this install. This install probably lasted me a week, and within that week I was working out, I was sweating, I got it wet in the shower. So yeah, I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I was able to wear this wig for a week without any lifting, any sliding, or anything like that. Basically, all I did was apply it with the Erica J. What was it? Erica J Hold Me Down Lace Glue. I did 3 layers. I allowed it to dry completely, before I placed the lace on top of it. Also, before you do glue it down, make sure you're wiping your forehead off with alcohol, because obviously the alcohol is going to dry it up and make sure that all oils are gone. So yeah, once I did the Erica J Hold Me Down glue, I sprayed it with hairspray twice. The first time it was the ORS olive oil hairspray, and then the second time it was the Erica J Hold Me Down hairspray. And then that was just about it that I did that allowed it to last that long. Also, I want to mention that if you allow your wig to dry for at least 24 hours before doing any activity that involves sweat or water, you will experience longevity with your wigs. That's just in my personal opinion, and I think that works best. So I always allow my wigs to like cure on my head before I, and be involved in any type of activity. So yeah, you guys can just watch it and rewind it and vibe out with me and take notes and whatever you need to do to make sure that you have a flawless long install. Go ahead and do that. But I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna see you guys at the end of the video. If you did like this install, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And you already know what I'm about to say. Share with your mamas, your cousins, your sisters, your co-workers, your family. Share it with everybody, okay, guys? Because we are on the road to consistent content. Like, if y'all haven't noticed, I've been posting almost 3 times a week. And if you are an OG subscriber, you know, baby, I would have been stopped by now, took like a 3-month break, and then came back like ain't nothing happened. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all subscribing down below, liking the video, and commenting, and let me know what other colors you guys want to see me in. Also, what other videos you guys want to see, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Running fast from the way it was, jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love, and still love and still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lie. Sorry, I'm faded. I think I forgot. You love me, you love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash, won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. Been about 3 years since I dated you.
Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better, you moved on to whatever. I was down for whatever, and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love, and it's still love, and it's still love, and it's still love, still love, still love, and it's still love, and it's still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. Don't eat me sleep past 1 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel so again. Freedom just join the party. Just don't wanna, don't need nobody. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me, you love me, you love me, you love me, you love me. Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some in now, let your edge out. Do some ice, but you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need west now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've given motion yesterday. I believe that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Said I'm trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some similar change, got me a war in my mind. Let go of me, think he was holding me. Choose the words, what if we'll pick up in front of me? On the wall, I'm leaving all my feelings now. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always, always inside. Good and different in my mind. Told me I'm my fears, my limitations are disappeared if you let me fly. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like gold. We lost this shit, got on my quest to bear alone. Night. Ooh, way to kill the mood. Now you like that seeking. Ooh, yeah, baby, heavy on my empty mind. Shit, I gotta keep some moves and shit first to me. Still with me now, wasted the best of me. On you, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I make the nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some similar change, got me a war in my mind. Let go of me, he was holding me. Choose the words, what if we'll pick up in front of me? On the wall, I leave my armor feelings now. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Sunny inside, good day living in my mind. Gotta get right, tryna feel my mind before the end of the world. I don't miss no acts, I don't miss no texts. I choose not to respond. I regret just pretend shit never happened. Half of us lay in place that argue. It's in the past. Half of us chasing fountains of youth, and it's in the present.
we are at the end of the video, and what do you guys think? How did y'all like the video? How did you like the color? Do you think that this is something you guys can do? It was very easy, as you guys saw in the video. The coloring was easy like in the last video, and the install was super easy as well, guys. I'm actually really in love with it. This is actually the perfect color to wear for Valentine's Day. Like, it's super short and giving very much grown woman. The color is very much sexy and feisty, y'all. I actually love it. I might have to reinstall it for oh, I can reinstall it for Valentine's Day and then add like some waves. I think that'll be a look. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below. What do y'all think? So yeah, we have reached the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are so close to 2,000 followers, our subscribers, so you guys make sure you subscribe down below. Share this with your mama, your friends, your sisters, and your co-workers, and tell them they don't want to miss out on all the great content that I will be posting. Get what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, that's it. I am done. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all so much, and thank you all for watching. Bye.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me.